Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to invite you today into the land of books. Let's chat in this video about a cozy paranormal fiction story called Baking Up a Magical Midlife by Jessica Rosenberg. So let's see what this book is all about. To give you a sum up, Baking Up a Magical Midlife is a series of books that tells the story of Cassie, a 40-year-old woman who has to start over after her marriage falls apart. She moves to a small town with her daughter and learns that she has inherited a bakery and an apartment from her aunt Bea. She also finds out that she is a witch and that magic is real. She has to adjust to this new reality and to learn how to use her powers while running the bakery and making new friends in this new town. Along the way, she faces various challenges and mysteries related to her witchy path. Also, she faces many challenges that test her and makes her learn and explore her magical side. The series is cozy, it's sprinkled with fantasy elements and a touch of romance. The protagonist Cassie faces a major change in her life by taking a new role, such as being a baker, a businesswoman, and a witch all at the same time. Throughout the series, we see a lot of things happening to Cassie that helps her grow as an individual. Also, she finds many supportive friends along the way in this small town, which makes the whole experience even more delicious. The series consists of 4 books so far, and I would like to dive into each book from the series a little bit. I will not give you too much details because I don't want to take away from the experience in case you decide to purchase these books. So in book number 1, Butter Sugar Magic, we are introduced to Cassie's new life, to her struggles to move into the new town, learning that she is a witch and inheriting a magical bakery and an apartment from her aunt. In book 2, which is called Bread, Coffee, Magic, Cassie tries to balance her work with her life in Portney, and because she has so much going on her plate, her daughter Ori goes back to Georgia with her father, which is Cassie's ex, but this goes downhill for Cassie and Ori as well. And because Cassie is facing so many difficulties, she learns to master her magic a little bit better and succeeds in rescuing her daughter. In book 3, which is called Bittersweet Magic, Cassie has to deal with the oldest witch in town who is out to get her. And in book 4, well, this one I will not give you any summary for it in case you want to read it. What I liked about the book is the fact that Jessica Rosenberg, the author, made it fun, I mean really fun, and engaging. The main character Cassie is very likable. Of course, the fact that we deal with a town full of witches makes it even more awesome. The book is very, very positive overall and has a humorous tone. I laughed many times while reading this book. Also, the plot is very catchy. I like the fact that it's cozy, it's not dramatic. But as cons, I think that this book may not be for readers who are looking for more action. If you are looking for action, this book ain't it. This is a more laid-back kind of book. A book that you read if you want to relax. Also, it's very similar with other books that you will find on the market, and this may also be a con from some readers. What I didn't personally like about the book is that sometimes Cassie has too much self-doubt, and repeating the same thing over and over again can be a bit boring sometimes. And another fact that I would have personally loved would have been more deep dives into the witchy path that Cassie is actually on. Anyway, because of those reasons, in terms of rating, I would give this book 4.5 out of 5 stars because it was entertaining. I lost track of time while reading this and I totally enjoyed it. Also, not to mention that it inspired me to start baking again, an activity that I very much enjoy. So that's my review for this particular book. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you soon!